कहते हो ना जल्दी 6 बजे तो कुछ भी जो मिलता है बस पहन के निकलो।
बताओ। कुर्ता पजामा।
घर का ड्रेस।
कुर्ता पंजाब।
क्या होता है?
ड्रेस का नाम जो अच्छा लगे वही ड्रेस है।
डिजाइनर का नाम होता है, ड्रेस का नाम नहीं होता।
डिजाइनर कौन है?
उर्फी जावेद।
डिजाइन में उर्फी जावेद। मगर वो बहुत खूबसूरत दिख रहे हैं। हाँ लग रहा है।
ऐसा लगता है आज की बात थोड़ी है।
You looks always different, yeah, from the others. Always. और आगे प्रोजेक्ट।
अरे दीपक पूछना।
आगे और भी आगे प्रोजेक्ट क्या है? नहीं मैम धूप में नहीं।
अरे लाइट आ रही है मैम आपके फेस पे। ये ऐसी है।
मोबाइल वाला है ना, लाइट का नॉलेज नहीं उसको।
आने वाले किस प्रोजेक्ट में हम उर्फी जी को देख सकते हैं? लॉकअप में।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
तो फिर कुछ
मुझे अप्रोच भी नहीं किया गया है।
ओके।
तुम लोग चाहते हो ना मैं जेल चली जाऊँ?
नहीं,
लोगों को भेजने की इतनी
मैंने लॉकअप शो में बोल रहे मैम।
नहीं मुझे अप्रोच भी नहीं किया गया है।
कंगना रनौत वाली जेल।
मगर फिर भी एक अंदाजा दे दें। अच्छा
अभी कुछ नहीं
कुछ नहीं है।
पर लॉकअप डेफिनेटली नहीं है। मुझे करना ही है।
अगर एज ए बिग बॉस कंटेस्टेंट आपको अगर अप्रोच किया जाए तो इसमें क्या कहना चाहेंगे आने वाले बिग बॉस में?
अभी तो खत्म हुआ है यार।
हाँ,
सबको
तो
सांस लेने दो speakers को।
खतरों में।
नहीं उनमें
हर महीने बिग बॉस चेन है यार।
मेरा हर
नहीं हमें लगता है ना उर्फी जी आएंगी बिग बॉस में तो धमाल करेंगे, वही विजेता होंगे।
के लिए नहीं जाती मैं कि तुम लोग 2-3
नहीं, हम
महीने क्या
चाहते हैं।
करोगे मेरे बिना? पागल हो जाओगे। तुम लोग का धंधा घर कैसे चलेगा मेरे बिना? मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ।
नहीं उसी समय चलेगा मैम ना, हम लोग आपके पीछे आएंगे तभी तो हमें बिग बॉस में जाओगे तो। हाँ
So, how do you think music is a passion pillar for the youth? And are you excited to be part of Royal Stag Boombox that directly addresses the youth and, piques their interests?
Oh yeah, definitely. This is the first time ever we see such amazing lineup and artists on stage, and it's of course the Boombox, Royal Stag Boombox it's a very fresh and new initiative to meet two different worlds. I don't like the term Bollywood, so I will never use that. Hindi film music, contemporary Hindi film music meets hip hop, and when these two worlds collide, and what comes out of it is something that's really, we are also excited to know how people think about it. Of course, हमको तो मजा आया करने में, I'm sure हम सबको. But then, how it's going to be received, that's really something that I am excited about, we are all excited about. And looking forward to this amazing new world that we've entered into.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Badshah, according to you, what does the young generation like about contemporary genres such as hip-hop?
I think just the audacity of the genre. I think the freedom of breaking walls as such. I think that is what excites youth in general, whatever the area is. It might be music, it might be fashion, anything that is anti-establishment probably is something that excites the youth. And hip-hop has always been considered as a genre that supports the rebel. So maybe that.
That's a wonderful answer.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, आपने खाना खाया ना? जोर से ताली boss. Thank you. Okay, नहीं खाया. Armaan, question for you.
Yes.
What do you have to say, ladies and gentlemen? What do you have to say about the new genre of music that Royal Stag Boombox is all set to bring to audiences across the country? And how do you feel about your association with Boombox?
Firstly, I'm very excited to be here on the stage with such amazing artists. I feel like what we guys are set out to do and what Royal Stag Boombox is set out to do is bring two very different genres and put them together, amalgamate it, and do it in a unique way so that it speaks to the youth and to the young generation. And I think if it's, I believe it's, coolly done. So I think we are in the right direction, and I hope that the youth really relates to all the songs that come out of this IP. We're very excited to be here, and I'm very excited to perform, the concert in Jalandhar. So yeah, I'm really, really happy to be here.
Great, thank you so much. We're really looking forward to the Jalandhar show.
Thank you.
Okay, Nikita, over to you. You made a grand entrance. We thought we'd get the boys together, get photographs, and then call you in to be the queen of, the crowd. Wonderful. So, Nikita, what are you most looking forward to at Royal Stag Boombox?
The shoot is done, the video is done, and it came out. It was so incredible and so much fun to be part of a semi-hip hop music video.
Thank you.
And that was not.
Thank you.
And actually, I just realized while sitting here that apart from you, Slojit, I think I've collaborated with everybody, and that's what I love about, I think, collaborations.
That's why she's in the center.
Oh, okay. No, but I'm very grateful for the journey, because as a playback singer, I think you get to see a small part of the artist. But when you get to be an overall musician, there's so much more you get to show your audience, and I'm getting the opportunity to do that on this platform, so I'm so grateful.
Wonderful. Thank you. Okay. And I'm going to ask EPR, do you feel the same way? Are you excited to be part of this entire concept and Royal Stag Boombox? And what do you aim to bring out? What is the personal expression you want to bring out in this?
Really, really excited. Obviously, because when musicians meet, they end up learning as well. And the whole thing, the whole property, it's really one of a kind, avant-garde, and very unique. So I got to learn a lot from Niti Mohan. And when these songs come out, I'm gonna get a lot of learning experience from them as well. And plus, when you go out with those songs, not only on the internet and also on the live gigs, it's gonna be crazy. That's the best part. I'm looking for the live gigs especially.
Wonderful.
So, yes.
And I think as artists, everyone feeds off the energy of the audience, right? And
Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's going to be super exciting. The number of people there and the number of people here waiting to hear from you all. I'm going to ask Bali if you feel, what do you feel? I got it right this time. I'm sorry.
Offended.
Yeah.
Not right.
You know, I always say, ask a South Indian who's grown up in Bengal to talk in Hindi and say names. It's wrong, it's not allowed. So Bali, tell us, how do you feel about the live music experience and what do you, and about recording in the studio and being a pioneer and bringing two such massive and electric genres together? How does it feel?
It was quite exciting because I had to put my sarcastic comedic approach from hip hop aside. I had to create something
I think
which
you were
would.
pretty sarcastic in this
Sorry?
song.
Yeah, we ended up creating 3-4 tracks, I think, and we'll release an EP, I think. So it was a very nice experience. I got to learn many things, and so that's it. I'm creating this music so that everybody can enjoy as well as dance to my music. So yeah.
Yeah, so you're actually addressing the youth by giving them music and beat and rhythm and tell us more.
So the hook line of my track, so I'm the only one I think promoting my track. So the hook line of my track will get to the youth very easily. Like, should I say the line or not?
Maybe wait for it.
Okay, I'll wait for that.
Let
So it
the
will
line
connect with
is-
the youth, and the music is there for everybody to dance to. So I think everybody will love it.
Awesome, thank you. I'm going to ask Dino, what are your thoughts on this new journey? And yeah, I need to. Yeah. So what is it that you are seeking to do with your music in the future, and how does Royal Stag Boombox contribute to that entire process?
Yes, actually the first time that I'm collaborating with someone from the scratch. So I regret this that I haven't actually collaborated with too many artists, which I'm started doing now. So it's actually the sense of uncertainty that you actually sit with somebody that you don't know well, and then the entire journey starts. That you know that you don't start liking the songs first, and then everything happens slowly and gradually. So it's actually a very beautiful process. Number one, to begin with, and second, that you're not in your territory all the time. So that pleasant uncomfortableness, I enjoyed that. So you know, to get more color, to know a person better, to add a different kind of color in your music, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful journey. So I regret, like I said, that I should have done it before, but it's never too late.
Awesome, great. Let's give a huge round of applause for that. And I have my last question for Slow Cheetah. Okay, I know I've been asking everyone about their association with Royal Stag Boombox and what music means to them and what's the future of music. What are you going to do after this? What's after this? What's next? What's musically next for you beyond Boombox? I had to ask it, guys.
I think.
Yeah. You can come here and speak.
Hello.
So I think, I mean, what's next is something I avoid thinking because currently I have the opportunity to sit on stage with some really, really fine artists. This is a dream to be here in the presence of such great company, and to be able to record a song with Amit Trivedi is not something you get to do every day. So I guess once that's out, I'll see what's next, depending on how that experience goes. Because right now, I just want to enjoy what's happening here.
What's happening? Go with the vibe of it.
It's a special chance to collaborate with such an incredible artist, and I got to do it, like they said, from scratch. And I think we've created something pretty special. So I'm looking forward.
Let the audience decide.
Amit was singing when we were doing the press bites earlier.
I was singing?
Yeah, you were singing.
This song?
No, something.
Oh, there's something else.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to now proceed on with, getting our media bites in and having you all interact with the artists in a closer manner. Thank you so much for being with us today and sharing how you feel about the music that speaks to the youth of today. Royal Stag Boombox aims to create a new sound by bringing together two diverse music genres.